YouTubers? It's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to change your drum and toner and print a supply status page on this HP Color LaserJet EnterPrise MFP X677 printer.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Alright guys, so the first step to change your drums is going to be open this big one right here, this little top part. So you have your waste toner here, you've got all your drums here, they are color coded. So to remove and install your drum, you would just remove this part for the specific color the printer is prompting you to change. Set your old one to the side, unbox your new one, and then you're just going to want to put it right back in that slot. And then shut that hatch. Alright, so I've showed you how to change your drums on this printer. If you're needing to change the toner, the printer prompts you that it's getting low. What you need to do is hit your supply button. And right here on your cartridge summary, you're going to have to eject the certain color that the printer is telling you to change. So for instance, if my printer tells me I need to change yellow, I would just hit eject on the yellow, open the lower front door to finish releasing cartridge, you hit OK or close, then you open the door, and the printer will eject the cartridge. So then you would just take the cartridge out, set it to the side, unbox your new one, and then just install it in the same slot. Once you hear it click, then you know it's installed securely, and you can shut your front hatch. Alright, so the next step to print your supply status page, what you're going to need to do is, mostly your screen's going to look like this. So just scroll over to the right. You'll see supplies with the little toner symbol. Super easy. Click that and then hit print. Alright guys, we have successfully changed our drum, changed our toner, and printed a supply status page. Thank you for watching our video and have a wonderful day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.